Start. Per contra, learned counsel representing the state, vehemently and fervently opposed the submissions advanced by the learned counsel for the appellants. Stop. He urged that two courts, that is, the trial court as well as the high court, have recorded concurrent findings of facts for convicting the appellants and for affirming their conviction, and hence, this court in exercise of the jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India should be slow to interfere in such concurrent findings of facts. Stop. He thus implored the court to dismiss the appeals. Stop para. We have given our thoughtful consideration to the submissions advanced at the bar and have gone through the impugned judgment and the evidence available on record. Stop para. Before discussing the prosecution evidence, we would like to note that the case as set up by the prosecution is regarding recovery of narcotics from a vehicle which was stopped during transit. Stop. Thus, the procedure of search and seizure would be governed by Section 43 read with Section 49 of the NDPS Act, which are reproduced below para. Seize in any public place or in transit, any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance or controlled substance in respect of which he has reason to believe an offence punishable under this act has been committed, and, along with such drug or substance, any animal or conveyance or article liable to confiscation under this act, any document or other article which he has reason to believe may furnish evidence of the commission of an offence punishable under this act, or any document or other article which may furnish evidence of holding any illegally acquired property which is liable for seizure or freezing or forfeiture under Chapter 5A of this Act. Stop. Detain and search any person whom he has reason to believe to have committed an offence punishable under this Act, and if such person has any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance or controlled substance in his possession, and such possession appears to him to be unlawful, arrest him and any other person in his company. Stop. For the purposes of this section, the expression public place includes any public conveyance, hotel, shop, or other place intended for use by, or accessible to, the public. Stop para. Any officer authorized under Section 42, may, if he has reason to suspect that any animal or conveyance is, or is about to be, used for the transport of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance or controlled substance. Stop.